So this is my dog. His name is Snowball. I think you could see why his name is just Snowball. Can you put him down now?
I'll fall off.
He looks like a little fluff ball.
There you get camera angles. What are you taking a picture of? Here, zoom out.
He's really low trained and he's only a baby.
Run away. Let's see if he chases you. I think he will.
Okay. Come on.
He's gonna get you. He's gonna get you. Ooh. Distracted. Wait. Make kissy sounds. I'll go after you.
Come on, Snowball. Snowball.
Stretching. He's getting ready. Getting ready.
Snowball. You're always going fast after
Go close to him.
inside,
Go
but
close
when
to him.
you're
And,
on camera.
go close to him and start running.
Come on, Snowball. Can we do this inside? He's always running inside.
The tensil's not good.
Yeah.
Come on, Snowball.
Snowball.
Come on.
Snowball.
Get Connor. Get him. Guard
Come on,
dog.
get me. It looks like he doesn't want